Hey, what's up, my two friends? Tony back with another video. We come to the final bots of the case, bots number 16 of the 16 bots case. And we're still hoping we can get a one-of-one necklace card. Okay, so wish me luck with this one, guys. This is already open right here in the corner, as you can see. Wish me luck on our final bots break. Hopefully we can get some Sarah Underwood mojo on the final bots break. All right, wish me luck, guys. Final bots. And I don't think I'll probably won't be buying any more. So this is it for me. Okay. Oops. Okay, we have a big hit, 101, so I'll leave that over there for now. All right, here we go, guys. First, we have Angel Boris Reed. Make sure it's focused. Pink parallel. Angel Boris Reed, pink parallel. All right. Nets, we got Candice Kita. Candice Kita gold parallel, just the base parallel. Next we got Dylan Fitzpatrick, only 3 cards. Dylan Fitzpatrick. All right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another box with just 9 cards. That's 4 boxes in the case with 9 cards only. Next, we got Spencer Scott. This is a 4 out of 5 orange parallel premium base card. The orange parallel. Next, we got Penelope Jimenez, 16 out of 24 premium base card. So another box with 3 premium base cards. Stephanie Costanza, 1 of 2 blue parallel. Wow. 3 premium base cards. And then we got Jasmine Dustin, 2 out of 5. Golden Soul. This looks like it's scratched up right here. Well, it's not scratched. It's just I don't know, maybe the way it's printed, because you can't feel nothing like if it's scratched. I don't know if you can see this little part and then this line here. Booyah. Jasmine Dustin. And then we have Lana Kinnear, 10 of 10, Golden Booyah. Nice. And then our final card, guys. Our final card is a bling. Golden bling. 1 of 1. Ice blue parallel. Brandy Grace. Golden bling. So we didn't get a necklace card, guys. So, man, I've seen most of the cases that I've seen have a necklace card, but there are a few that don't, and mine was one that didn't have a necklace card. So that kind of sucks. And then we got 4 boxes, guys. We end up getting 4 boxes with we ended up getting 4 boxes with just 9 cards. In this second half of the case, we got 3 boxes with just 9 cards. And in the first case, we got 1 box with 9 cards. Anyways, I'll do like a whole recap of everything we got from the case. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate it. But I'm probably not gonna buy any more of these cards. I hadn't bought any Benchwarmer from the last. I didn't buy no Vegas Baby release. I didn't buy no that Christmas Archive release. I didn't buy like anything for the last six releases or something. So I treated myself. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the recap. We'll recap everything that we got from this case. All right, see you guys. God bless.